Yo, wagwan, wanna delete. What is up, Jamaica? Give me another reaction. Today, guys, today with Vybz Kartel, yeah, man. Kartel with God Says. Jump in the one I say with the cheerleaders. Let's go. How have Kartel soon baptized? What does that say? I don't know. I wonder.
Get to you, I'm telling you something. People will hate you for your confidence. Like how you make them weak.
True.
People will hate you for your joy.
True.
Like how you make them sad.
Yeah.
And then them wish sadness upon you instead of wishing joy upon themselves.
Yes. True.
Alright, fight, make a way for yourself. And count every drop of tears where you shed. Everybody young don't want to help you when you're dead. Casket by, read by, yes, so them help. Protect your life and not turn your right.
Where the light there? Where the light there? Where the light there? Show me the light now, me look, show me it. No light no there, sir, brother. No light no there, sir.
Get to you, I'm telling you something.
Yeah.
People will hate you for your confidence.
Yeah.
Like how you make them weak. People will hate you for your joy. Like how you make them sad. And then them wish sadness upon you instead of wishing joy upon themselves.
Self, yeah? Selfish on them own self.
Alright, fight, make a way for yourself. And count every drop of tears where you shed.
Alright, fight and make a way for yourself. Cause it's not easy out there, no. See, you have to go fight and make a way for yourself. You
make a way for yourself. And count every drop of tears where you shed. Everybody young don't want to help you when you're dead. Casket by, read by, yes, so them help.
I always say this. People want to help you when you're dead. If you take shame out of feed them, you think you them a help? At shame them take out of feed them as the family or the friend them. You see me? You can they are alive, sick, and need some money for a doctor and them not get it. As soon as they're dead, everybody's coming in and fly down and rare and buy woolly pot. Suck on the matter, man.
The young don't want to help you when you're dead. Casket by, read by, yes, so them help. Protect your life and not turn your wild animal. Concrete jungle, them desperate. Babylon and politician, pestilence. Demon a go like them and ladies and gentlemen. Them not said. What them a forget to you, but
man said demon a go like them humble clat. Yo, teacher, a fox you talking about, bro?
Go like them and ladies and gentlemen. Them not said. What them a forget to you, but jailhouse and death. Now them no want to see we sail out banjet. My mother prayer cover me again. Shall watch over me now the valley of the day. New day begin. More life blessing.
Can't play this one time, brother. Can't play this one time.
Get to you, I'm telling you something. People will hate you for your confidence.
Sure.
Like how you make them weak.
Facts.
People will hate you for your joy.
Yeah.
Like how you make them sad.
Yeah.
And then them wish sadness upon you instead of wishing joy upon themselves.
Facts, bro.
Alright, fight, make a way for yourself. And count every drop of tears where you shed. Everybody young don't want to help you when you're dead. Casket by, read by, yes, so them help. Protect your life and not turn your wild animal. Concrete jungle, them desperate. Babylon and politician, pestilence. Demon a go like them and ladies and gentlemen. Them not said. What them a forget to you, but jailhouse and death.
What am I doing?
No want to see we sail out banjet. My mother prayer cover me again. Shall watch over me now the valley of the day. New day begin. More life blessing. Stay strong within. Every day a new beginning.
I'm telling you this now. And me I go stop the reaction for say this, bro. Any man in the comment section will type say this a fuckery. Or an idiot. I'm telling you straight. I'm not reply to no comment. I'm not answer no comment. I'm telling you I'm an idiot. No matter which side you say, that song, bro, I speak for the whole away. No matter which side you say that the music, I don't want to pick side. No matter which side you say, that song you speak for every blood clot, but that me I tell you.
Stay strong
Don't talk.
Every day a new beginning. say I know where them say. Fi see you winning, hypocrite them come round peer grinning. Christian no sinning, Rasta we trimming. Believing I got something I know no limit. I'm believing in myself, me young know about winning. Sky me then no land, no boat, no road, no swimming. Yo, every day the road I fi take on. New day begin, more life blessing. Stay strong within, every day new beginning. I know where them say, I where God say, I know where them say. I know where them say, I where God say, I know where them say. The decision unanimous, God say we feel victorious. Something better for the all of us, but some of them go on like them don't want share. And that's why they are afraid of us.
Cake big. The cake big, and that's why them afraid away. Them afraid away because them don't want to share. Guess why?
Go on like them don't want share. And that's why they are afraid of us. But get the youth, stand your ground, don't give up.
Don't give up.
Come from the darkness, come the light. Remember, say the best come from the worst.
Sure.
New
Long time God tell that, you know. Best come from the worst.
More life blessing.
From the 𝐑𝐄𝐀 back album, him tell that.
Stay strong within. Every day new beginning. I know where them say. I where God say, I know where them say. I know where them say. I where God say, I know where them say.
Oh, bucklat. Yo, me never even that pass that one too much, bro. Cause everything when I say, you can hear everything. I mean, no one can relate, bro. The man I give it everybody song. This are not Gaza song. This are real song. This a real song, bro. So anybody who found in the comment section come tell me say this not ready. You know idiot. You know one of blood clot say. System I go kill you now. That me I tell you now. You see me? Teacher, big up yourself. Yes. Greedy Lion, big up yourself. Let me know what you guys truly think in the comment section about that one. I love it. Fuck with it. Yes, I fuck with it. Yeah? God says. Yeah, man, I'm out.